Hi guys, welcome to our third vlog of this week. PurposePreneur Movement, the YouTube channel, and the community. And today I want to talk about probably my favorite AI platform. And it's called Descript, so web.descript.com. And it's a game changer for all of us that are creating content as producers, not consumers. We're like shifting gears here. And this app platform is changing the way I see creating content. And I can now challenge myself and commit to those 5 videos, 5 productions every week because of this amazing tool. Obviously, you don't have to pay. You can just try it out and see if it's something you would enjoy using. So first, you have the home page. You can edit video, create with an avatar if you don't want to put your face on those videos, edit podcasts, create social clips, translate, get a transcript, generate videos. You can create AI video maker, either with AI pictures, AI videos, or B-rolls. You can have an AI speaker. It's crazy everything you can do. So I want to show you what I'm personally using on a daily basis now. And new project, video project, I'm going to insert a video so that I can show you how I'm editing those videos with AI and with a cool transcript, deleting words and sentences. And it does the automation as far as cutting all those scenes inside the video by deleting words. So let me first download a video so that I can show it to you guys. So now you see the uploading, detecting the speakers. You'll see why, because there's a now AI clone of my voice that will modify words, modify sentences if I want to. At the same time, I can add layers, I can add B-rolls, AI pictures, AI videos inside the video edition. Let's wait for the video to download and I'll get back to you in a second. All right, we're ready. So it took about 45 seconds to a minute. Obviously, this is a short video, a minute 39. If it's 10 to 15 minutes, it might take a couple of minutes just to prepare the editions or whatnot with the AI stuff. So be patient, telling you it's going to be worth it. So here we have studio sound. Sometimes there's noises around or your microphone is not the best quality. This will fix it on the spot. Remove filler words, remove retakes, shorten word gaps. It's insane. I'm going to show you a little bit how it works. So in this small video, I put 0.8 seconds. So every time there's gaps of more than 0.8, it's going to eliminate those gaps right away. For example, in this one, there's only one. Sometimes in those 10 minutes video, I have 12, 15, 20. And in one click, it does all the addition for you. I go back to AI tools, remove retakes. Takes about 5 seconds. In this case, there's only one. Sometimes there's so much more. Boom, it's done. This is my favorite one because I'm the type of guy who does the right. And in this case, it does remove all, and that's it. It's a shorter video, but for the longer one, you can imagine how much time we're saving here. There's other crazy stuff that I haven't used myself yet. For example, the eye contact. I can look towards my second monitor and read a text or bullet points or whatever. And the AI will just put my eyes facing the camera. I haven't used it much, but it's something crazy if you guys would use it over and over as far as creating more content. It's all about facing the limiting beliefs, fighting the limiting beliefs with technology, with AI, so that we're confident and we can add the productions of those videos more often and enjoying a bit more of the process. It can generate images, green screen, quick design. It's amazing, amazing. And you can change the layers of the videos and just put you in a square, put you in half of the page, add videos. Okay, beside that, I'm not using all of those tools yet. I'm still learning, but I want to show you guys this part. For example, here, let's say I delete this entire sentence. Boom. And the video just adapt to it, adapt to what I just deleted, and does the cutting of the video itself. Next one. Let's say there's a mistake in my name, right? I can correct it. Obviously, it's going to correct the caption, and it does auto captions as well. But here's the amazing part. Let's say here, I don't want to talk about coaches. I want to talk about entrepreneurs. I can regenerate the word with my clone AI voice that Descript does for me, create for me, using 11 Lab, another platform. So just think about it. Every time you make mistakes or you're missing a word or two, you can just add this inside the edition, and without having to record yourself again. You can just add an AI picture, a B-roll on top of it inside Descript, so that now we're fighting all the excuses and the limiting beliefs related to video production in a way. This was a short presentation about Descript. I'm going to try more AI platform in the future, but I want you guys to give this one a shot. Because for me, as someone who's French Canadian, and obviously I'm making mistakes, I'm thinking about my words sometime. And in this case, it helped me out a ton by correcting little mistakes here and there. And you can even add Grammarly, another software inside of it, to help you with the grammar in English, for example, in this case. So the sky's the limit. There's a free version. Give it a shot. And if you're not part of our amazing PurposePreneur movement community, click down below. You will have access to the free community, courses. We're going to have group calls soon. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Let me know what are the excuses that this platform or this software beat bottlenecked and give you a bit more excitement and pleasure and fun creating the process and the edition of those videos. So let me know. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a look at this other video right here, and please do like and subscribe. And if you want to join our empowering, uplifting community of entrepreneur, click down below and see you on the other side.